Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse. We've got Michelle and Kathleen with us today. We're going to do a tutorial for the bridal shower hanging basket. So this is a basket that has lots of whites and greens and silver foliage in them. Do you have the kitty? Michelle's going to show off the little kitty. So this basket is a fiber basket, and it just has a real nice earthy look. We do sell a lot of these for weddings and for bridal parties. This little kitty is my son Clayton's kitten, and he named her Worm. So I still think we should change it, but she is so sweet, and she really has had fun adventuring out here today.
Yes, we've had fun playing
Yeah.
with her. She's really a distraction, but
that's okay.
Okay, we had fun, right?
We did.
Yeah.
She's so sweet.
She's so sweet.
Okay, so for this basket, it's a big basket. It's 14 inches and really beefy. Holds a lot of soil, which is great because then it will retain more water. For this one, we're going to use our double board, and this stamp just shows us where the plants will go in the pot. So we give that a nice press. Perfect. And it's not like perfectly how deep they'll be, but it shows me where I need to place them. And we're gonna put our slow release fertilizer on. I like to put it on the top because that way I know I've added it. If you watch my videos, I always say that. So this basket, and I will show you a picture of it, it's really pretty. For the middle, we're gonna put in two white Osteos. So Osteos are a daisy, but they have a really big flower compared to like a field daisy. And really nice lavender ring in the middle there. So we're going to insert those in the center, two of them right side by side, and these are more of a trailing type. They're called Daisy Falls, and they do spill over a lot. So then we're going to, I have my little map here. We actually made a change from last year. We had a plant that did really good early in the springtime, but then in the summer, it just didn't perform as good as we'd hoped. So we're switching that out with a silver foliage. But we're gonna have two Osteos, two double white trailing petunias, two creeping Charlies, those are a vine, and two Lofos, which are also a vine, they have a white flower, and then a Calibrachoa and a silver foliage. So let's get these two things out of the way. So I'm going to put the two Lofos opposite of each other. That way we have vines on both sides. And then I'm going to put the two creeping Charlies, which are also vines, opposite of those. So one here and one here. And this basket does get a lot of plants in it, but to have big, full, beautiful baskets, you need a lot of plants in them. And then our two trailing white double petunias. So these are like a big pom-pom of fluffy white petunia blossoms. They're so beautiful. And then opposite of that, we're gonna have our Calibrachoa. So this is a pure white Calibrachoa, really, really great filler, and no deadheading needed, just adds that extra filling in all the little gaps and bits. And then for the silver foliage, we're doing two trials this year. So we're doing some of them with this really pretty artemisia, and it has a really white silvery look to it, pretty leaf like a Dusty Miller. And then this one is the helichrysum licorice, and it's more vigorous, but it does have a really silver green look to that as well. So I'm gonna put a helichrysum in this one, and yeah, we've got both planted. Michelle and Kathleen did both styles today, so we're gonna kind of evaluate them and see if we like one better than the other, if we like them equally. So that is how that looks so far. How many plants are in here? There's like 2, 3, 4, 10, yeah. Yeah, it's a lot. Plants. Yeah, there's a lot of plants in here. And then these ones come with a wire hanger that does swivel, so that's kind of nice. And they're a little tricky to get the hangers on, so I'll do that off camera because I don't want to fumble in front of everybody. You're a pro at it now.
It's a lot of fumbling.
I think they did 70 for the retail. And then the retail get a hanger on them. Some of these are for custom, so I think this one's actually gonna.
That's a custom.
This goes in the custom haul. So all the retail ones are planted and custom's next. So thanks for watching, and we'll be sure to give you a look at how this basket looks throughout the season. Thanks, guys.